Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and handle the components without causing any damage. First, power off your HP 15B025NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any accidental power surges during the upgrade. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the laptop later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the RAM slots. You should see 1 or 2 slots depending on your current configuration. If you are upgrading, you may need to remove the existing RAM module. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module away from it. The module should pop up at an angle, allowing you to remove it easily. Now, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Ensure that the notch on the RAM module matches the key in the slot. Insert the RAM at a 30-degree angle and press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the module. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you have completed the upgrade and cleaning, carefully replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Now, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. You should see the system recognizing the new RAM during the boot process. To confirm the upgrade, you can check the system properties in Windows. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop professionally diagnosed without obligation. If you encounter any issues, or if the laptop does not recognize the new RAM, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With our service, there are no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your laptop back in top shape. Congratulations on successfully upgrading your HP 15B025NS RAM. Enjoy the enhanced performance and improved multitasking capabilities. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.